Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can zoom in as well as zoom out in your Wix website projects in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your Wix website in the website editor, and what you want to do next, guys, is here in the editor is take a look at that zoom level at or in the top right corner, and default will be set to 100%. So I may click into it and go through these different zoom levels like 50% or 100, click into it. However, guys, if you'd like to adjust a custom zoom level, you may simply use the zooming feature here in your browser, be it, I don't know, Brave or Chrome or Edge, whichever one you're using. I'm using Google Chrome for this specific case here. So how I use zooming in is here simply by pressing left control on my keyboard, or command if you're using a Mac, and using my mouse wheel. And that is going to adjust that custom zooming level, not only for Wix, but actually for any website you're on here in Google Chrome. And by moving my mouse wheel forth and also in the opposite direction, I'll be given the opportunity to adjust that zoom level. Or you may simply use these plus and minus buttons, or you head over to these three dots in the top right and choose the zooming customizer here, or reset to default 100% zoom if you like. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.